So, hello everyone, this is Darshan Jain. I cleared my CF11 exam in the August 2025 attempt. Currently, I'm there in my second year of the college. I started my preparation back in October 2024. At that time, I was a bit confused ki how to approach this exam, how to cover the complete curriculum. Even though I knew there were 10 subjects, but how to cover this up. I took the classes from Karan sir. I would say the Wall Street School. I was able to complete my curriculum the first 6 months of my preparations, and then when I had the last 3 months there for my revision or the practice questions, at that time the main role of Karan sir or the Wall Street School came into play. It was quite a hustle kind of a thing to how to revise these all subjects and cover the questions up and to approach the mock. Karan sir helped a lot in this. He guided me the perfect way to how to approach the revision, how to approach these questions, and how to approach the mocks. He guided and paved a way towards this exam, and I guess that was a perfect path how one could reach to the milestone that one is thinking about. And when I talk about the CFA exam, you all know it is a professional exam, it's a professional course, so it would require professionalism to clear this. And when I talk about professionalism, the first thing I would say is consistency. For me, consistency is not कि if you are targeting 6 hours a day कि भाई 6 घंटे तो पढ़ना ही है, तो आप रोज 6 घंटे ही पढ़ना, 6 घंटे से कम तो नहीं पढ़ सकते एक दिन में. For me it was like कि every day is not the same. आज 6 घंटे नहीं हो पा रहे, आज 2-3 घंटे हुए या 4 घंटे हुए, तो नेक्स्ट डे यू शुड स्टडी लाइक जो लास्ट के 3 घंटे या 4 घंटे बाकी रह गए थे लास्ट डे के, वो आप इस दिन कंप्लीट कर लो. यू वांटेड टू कंप्लीट 6 hours a day ना, तो यू शुड स्टडी 9 to 10 hours the next day, and that task should be completed the next day itself. It should not be further procrastinated कि भाई परसों कर लूँगा, तरसों कर लूँगा. That should not be done. That is a key point in my consistency point. तो for me the average out should be 8 hours कि भाई आज नहीं हुआ, 6 घंटे पढ़ने थे, 6 घंटे कर लिए, 8 घंटे करने, 8 घंटे कर लिए. तो the target you are setting should be an average कि भाई ये average maintain होना चाहिए. That's consistency for me. Not कि every day कर लिया. Then hard work, bro. 10 subjects, everything is new, especially in the level 1 curriculum. तो हार्ड वर्क तो चाहिए. कंप्लीट करना कोर्स, उसको रिवाइज करना, तो इट वुड रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. एंड वही है प्रोफेशनलिज्म. अगर एक प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम को एक प्रोफेशनल वे में अप्रोच करोगे तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द इंस्टीट्यूट टू नॉट लेट यू पास दिस एग्जाम. एंड यार हार्ड वर्क आई थिंक it's the only key to success in this exam. If there's something else other than hard work, it's guidance, a mentorship that I think Karan sir would provide you with best mentorship, perfect guidance, and the Wall Street School. A big thank you to them for letting me meet Karan sir, letting that connection possible through this platform. Thank you so much, the Wall Street School and Karan sir.